Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you have been here before. It's been a long time for me since I have sat down and talked to you guys, so I'm glad to be here. Today, you already know by the title, we're going to do the May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. I do know it's in here. But I haven't opened this and seen it in person yet, so. Okay, so I'm just going to reach in. Whatever I grab is what we're going to talk about first. These are some, I think you pronounce it LaRousse, like face halo type things. The white one removes makeup, gray one applies toners and serums, and the black one is to wash your face. So they have like foam in the middle, and then there's like it's not fur, but you know, the microfiber or whatever is on the outside. So I'll probably just use all of these to wash my face and remove makeup. I just don't see myself using the gray one to apply toner and serums. I feel like that's just going to absorb. So anyway, and I will either, like usual, pop up whatever the price of the item is on the screen, or I will just have it listed in the description down below. So everything else is in the actual pouch. This month, it's a really pretty floral print drawstring. I heard a rumor, well, I read a rumor that BoxyCharm and Ipsy are gonna combine. I don't know when that's happening or if that's happening. Okay, this is the insert name here, Super Shine Serum. Meet Super Shine Serum, or as we like to call it, magic in a bottle. Add shine and moisture with our specially formulated finishing serum. We made sure it was jam-packed with nourishing oils because you deserve the good stuff. Bad hair days be gone. Has grapeseed, passion fruit, and macadamia oils in it. So we're going to give this a whirl right now. You guys know, well, you might not know. Several videos back on my channel, I tried out, insert name here, hair extensions. First hair extensions I've ever tried. Tried those out, and I also got their Waver in their blow dry brush. So I'll try to remember, and I will link those down below. So it's just a pump. I'm gonna do 2 pumps because I didn't read instructions. Rub 2 to 3 pumps in your palm. Apply to your hair starting from the ends, then working your way up for use on wet or dry hair. Do about 2 pumps. It smells like living proof hair care. My hair, it has been straightened, but it's been very humid and rainy here, so I'm not a fan of this type of a scent. It's like a very cleaning supply smell to me, but that scent is totally, you know, personal preference. So it does look much more shiny. This piece is it's so frizzy. Anyway, so all right, there's that. I'm gonna rub the rest in. Next thing in the bag, we have this Pure Lace Blush and Glow BB Cheek Color. I hope it's actually like this. Has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. I'm not a fan of cream blushes or bronzers or highlighters really, but there wasn't. They only give you so many things to pick from your choice items, so it's not like you have a full run of everything that's offered to everyone. So I picked the things I thought I would like best. Just going to squeeze a little bit out. That's a very pretty color. You guys know I like peachy, orangey blushes. It feels kind of like a silicone-y primer. It's very smooth to the touch. It's not tacky or anything. I think that's going to be really pretty. I will give that a go and try to update you guys. Malibu Peach is the shade of that Pure Lace blush. This is the Rowan brow pencil, the Valbrow, maybe that's how you're supposed to say that, in the shade Dark. I have a hard time getting a brow pencil to actually match, so we'll see. Has a spoolie on one end and then the twist up pencil on the other. We'll swatch it over here. I like to start out applying like hardly any pressure to see how much it's going to transfer, and then I'll increase. Yeah. I don't really, I will use this, but it's pretty gray toned and it's not super pigmented. Like some of those I was pressing pretty hard. So, and this is the last thing in the bag. It's the Dr. Brand Antioxidant Spray Toner with green tea, with green and white tea extract. So, I'm not going to spray this on my face now because I have a face full of makeup. It's supposed to protect skin against free radicals, leave skin revitalized, and improve the skin barrier. So, lately there hasn't been a lot of stuff that I can just like try out for you. It's been like a lot of skincare type things. If you want me to do like a roundup of the last few Ipsy bags I've gotten, I can do a video just like rounding up what I thought of the products. If that's something you would be interested in, give me a little bit of time. It would have, by then I would have had enough time to formulate some opinions on some things instead of just like the very next month. I might not even get around. I don't put makeup on every day, so I might not have gotten around to trying everything from the bag. But if that's something you guys would be interested in, let me know. I'll maybe try to do that anyway, but I would also like to know if you want to see that. So anyway, that's going to be all for the video today. I will leave a link down below if you want to sign up for Ipsy if you've never tried it before. They are not paying me to do this video. This is not a sponsored video. If you have an Ipsy subscription, you get a referral link to share to get more people to sign up, and then I think you get points or something like that if you have someone sign up through your link. So I will leave mine down below if you want to use that. That would be awesome. Again, not sponsored, not affiliate, just a referral link that anyone with an Ipsy subscription can give out. So with that being said, I will let you guys go for the day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.